The first step we're going to do is we're going to get into our extended response slides, and we're going to delete everything in that slide deck except for our title page and our finished extended response. I'm clicking on the slides on the left and I'm clicking delete. I can also use the shift key and select a group of slides and go to edit and cut and get rid of all of the slides except for the two that I want to keep. Now I am left with just two slides. I'm going to go to my main extended response slide and I'm going to clean it up so that it looks nice for when the people view it on my web page. Now I feel like my slideshow is ready to share with the world. Next, we're going to get into our motivation tree document. We're going to click the plus sign on pages to make a new page, and we're going to call it Personal Culture Story. You can see now that our new page also shows up at the navigation at the top. This is where we're going to be putting our slides or text. During step 3, we're going to be inserting our slides into this web page. Google's made it really easy for us to do this by clicking Insert and then choosing Google Drive, which will allow us to look into our drive and find our personal culture extended response. Once we found it, we select it and the site will pop it right in there. I'm having a little trouble finding it from the list, so I'm just going to type into the search area McKinney example, which is what I know I called my extended response, and it should pop right up. Perfect, I found it. I'm going to select it and Google's going to pop it right into my website. There it is. I would like to resize it so it takes up more space, so I'm going to grab one of its little anchor points and drag it so that it takes up the entire space. Next, I'm going to click Publish and publish my new changes, and I am done. To preview what my website is going to look like in a computer or on a tablet, I can click the little icon above that shows a laptop and a cell phone, and it will show it without all of the editing tools. And it shows my motivation tree loading just the way that I would like it to look. I am now done with posting my personal culture story, unless I want to do the advanced option, which is showing next. In the advanced option, instead of putting slides into our Google site, we're going to copy and paste the text straight from our extended response. We'll start by clicking on the text in our extended response, and then I'm going to go to Edit, Select All to select the entire text block. I'm going to then go to Edit and Copy. Now it's copied to my clipboard. Next, I'm going to click into my culture story, and I'm going to click Insert, and I'm going to choose a layout to put in there that includes a picture. Then I'm going to click and I'm going to copy and paste my text into, by doing a Control V on my keyboard, I'm going to be pasting my text into a text box. Next, I'm going to add the title from my title page that I thought about earlier, and I'm going to find a picture and I'm going to put it into my Google Drive and upload it to put into my website. I'm going to click upload and choose a picture that I found earlier and I put into my Google Drive, this rainbow flag, and I'm going to click open and then I'm going to click publish and I am done.